Hello everyone, my name is Vince Lombardo with No Moss Softwash. We are here in beautiful Elk Grove, California. We are doing a client's roof. She had received a letter in her mail from her homeowner's insurance.
Home insurance companies are taking inspections to new heights in determining whether to drop coverage or not. In the past, companies would send out inspectors to your home. No Moss Softwash has learned they're now using drones and other technology to survey your property before deciding whether to insure it or not. Homeowners claimed drones and other devices captured things like debris and roof moss, and in one case, a drained pool, all of which lead to their policies getting dropped.
They were canceling her policy if she did not remove the moss from her roof. You or a loved one may have received this as well. We can take care of that for you without the harmful use of pressure washing. We are called No Moss Softwash. We are the No Moss boss. We take care of all the moss, algae, lichens on your roof, stucco, siding, concrete. So if you or a loved one have that, give us a call, 916-709-1073. We can take care of that for you. We offer a 5-year warranty that there's no new moss growth on that roof. We are affiliates with Softwash Systems. Give us a call today. We're the No Moss boss. No Moss Softwash.